Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Wednesday, June 18th, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed mixed performance today. The Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq Composite both edged higher, while the healthcare sector extended its losing streak to 4 consecutive days. The communications services sector broke downward after 3 days of consolidation. Market breadth showed weakness across the board. The Nasdaq Composite saw more decliners than advancers, with 1,683 stocks falling versus 1,369 rising. The technology sector showed similar weakness with 390 declines against 281 advances. Looking at returns, the technology sector leads week to date with a 1.15% gain. Meanwhile, the healthcare sector continues to struggle, down 2.2% for the week. Month to date, technology shows strength with a 4.1% advance. Among top performers, Enphase Energy led with a 4.1% gain. Jabil rose 3.9% to reach a new all-time high for the third consecutive day. Intel added 3.3%, marking its third straight day of gains. On a week-to-date basis, Jabil leads with a 16.4% return, showing strong upward momentum. Super Microcomputer and Intel follow with gains of 7% and 6.7% respectively. Enphase lags despite today's gains, down 20% this week. Among decliners, Corpay fell 3.9%, while Paycom Software dropped 3.6%. KLA declined 2.4%, though it maintains a strong upward trend. ServiceNow slipped 2.2% amid increased volatility. Week to date, Paycom Software shows the largest decline at 5%. Workday is down 3.1%, while Corpay has fallen 2.7%. Despite today's decline, KLA remains positive for the week. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed mixed performance. QQQ and the 3X bullish QQQ both closed lower for the second consecutive day, despite maintaining strong positive trends. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF displayed very strong upward momentum, while the 3X bearish QQQ has been trading sideways for 39 days. Month-to-date returns show significant variations. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF leads with a 9.5% return, averaging 0.71% daily gains. The Vanguard Information Technology Fund and QQQ posted more modest gains of 4.1% and 1.9% respectively. The 3X bearish QQQ declined 5.2%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Microsoft hit a new all-time high at 480.24. Alphabet fell 1.8% after breaking down from sideways movement. Apple shows downward volatility despite closing up slightly. Year-to-date returns show wide performance disparity. Meta Platforms leads with an 18.8% gain, while Apple has declined 21.5%. Microsoft maintains strong momentum with a 13.9% year-to-date return. Semiconductor stocks showed significant gains today. Pixelworks surged 27.9% after breaking out of sideways movement. Nano Labs jumped 21.5%, while Valens Semiconductor rose 14%. Week-to-date performance shows Pixelworks leading with a 40.2% gain. Nano Labs has impressive month-to-date returns of 241.7%. Astera Labs and Marvell Technology both up over 11% this week. In cloud computing, Snowflake reached a one-year high after breaking out of week-long consolidation. Oracle and Cisco Systems maintain very strong positive trends with modest gains today. Year-to-date returns in cloud computing vary widely. Snowflake leads with a 37.3% gain, followed by Oracle at 26.5%. the trade desk lags with a 41.6% decline. In AI and robotics, Symbotic jumped 14.5% with strong positive momentum. Vicarious Surgical gained 2.7% while consolidating. Ambarella broke out of its recent sideways pattern. Symbotic shows impressive gains across all timeframes, up 27.6% this week and 50.6% year-to-date. Vicarious Surgical and Mobileye Global both show year-to-date declines over 20%. In thematic ETFs today, SPEAR Alpha ETF leads with a 1.9% gain to 28.7, showing a strong upward trend. AI and Innovation Fund broke upward after 3 days of consolidation, while Nasdaq AI and Robotics maintains a strong positive trend despite sideways movement. SPEAR Alpha ETF shows impressive week-to-date returns of 4.7% with strong daily averages. AI and Innovation Fund posts solid month-to-date gains of 5.4%, while Robotics and AI and Automation, Bull Twox, lags with a year-to-date decline of 13%. Electric vehicle stocks show mixed performance today. Lucid gained 3.2% to 2.22, breaking upward after 4 days sideways. Rivian Automotive rose 2.8% to 13.77, while Tesla added 1.8%, reaching 322.5. Year-to-date performance varies widely among EV makers. Xpeng leads with a 57% gain, while Lucid shows a 26% decline. Rivian Automotive maintains modest gains at 3.5% for the year. Quantum computing stocks advanced today, led by IonQ, with a 4.1% gain to 39.63. Summit Hotel Properties rose 2.3% after breaking out of a 3-day consolidation. TE Connectivity maintains a very strong positive trend. D-Wave Quantum shows impressive year-to-date returns of 87%. TE Connectivity follows with 14.6% gains, while Honeywell International experiences slight decline at -1.8% for the year. Solar stocks showed strength today, with Solar Edge Technologies leading, up 6.3% to 16.98. Sunrun gained 6%, despite a very strong negative trend. Jinko Solar Holding rose 4% amid very strong upward volatility. Week-to-date performance shows significant pressure, with Sunrun down 39% and Solar Edge declining 27%. Jinko Solar stands out with positive month-to-date returns of 10%. Leading thematic ETFs showed significant strength today. ARK Innovation ETF led the group, surging 4.4% to 66.77 with strong upward momentum. ARK Fintech Innovation ETF reached a new one-year high, rising 3.7% to 46.94. Both semiconductor funds maintained strong positive trends, while First Trust Nasdaq Semiconductor ETF broke out from recent consolidation. Returns analysis shows impressive weekly gains. ARK Innovation ETF leads with a 7.4% week-to-date return and strong 18.4% month-to-date performance. ARK Fintech Innovation ETF follows with notable gains of 26.7% year-to-date, significantly outpacing its peers in the longer term.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.